You're watching TravelVids.tv. My name is Dean Parman, and today we will be talking about shots on your mobile phone. Talking about shots. So what are shots? What do you need them for? Where do you use them? What kind of shots do we need? This is a shot, and this is another shot, and these are more shots, and that's also a shot. Shots are basically the building blocks that you're going to need to tell stories using your mobile phone. A problem that people have is that they overcomplicate this with far too many different types of shots, trying to tell this elaborate story when all you really need are two different types. Today we're going to be talking about basic shots and creative shots. There are only two types of shots. By grouping them together into only these two categories, you can focus on telling a story and not having to worry about the technical aspects of making a film. I want to quickly summarize why you need these two different shot types of groups, where to apply them, what to use, maybe some examples. Let's go. Group number one, basic shots. Basic shots are the actual building blocks that you need to get the story out the way. This will be made up out of a couple of different things, like using very wide shots, the medium shots, and the close-ups. Nothing more than that. And all you need to remember is that you need to get a variety of all of these. So say you're at the beach. You're going to get a wide shot, a medium shot, and a close-up shot. Great. Now you've told a story. Moving on to the next area, we have just arrived on the mountain. Get the wide shot, get the medium shot, get the close-up shot. People spend so much time focused and fixed on trying to get like these most elaborate shots. But when you've got those three, you've got your story down. Then we can spice it up with group two, which is the creative shots. Group number two, creative shots are just here to make the video more interesting. You don't have to be so fixated on the story. The basic shots have already covered that. By creative shots, I am referring to time lapses, slow motion, underwater, drones, anything that it's that wow factor where people are kind of like, oh, that video is so amazing. But that video wouldn't be amazing if it was just those. It's got to tell a story. So put all your focus on getting a couple of basic shots, a few spicy creative shots to get that up, a variety of all of those. And remember, extra tip here, with the basic shots, just because I'm calling them basic doesn't mean you can't get creative with them. This means changing up the angle as much as possible. Point the camera up, point it down, get low on the ground. All the usual camera angle changes, those can be applied to the basic shots to sort of enhance the story. This shouldn't take you more than a few minutes to film, and the best thing is you don't have to have any additional gear. You just need your phone.